In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hostinger auto-renewal. This process may seem just a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with navigating the often intricate world of web hosting management. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to turn off that auto-renewal option with ease. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, locate the login button. It's typically displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you will find an option to reset it. Always remember to keep your login information secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now that we're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the control panel. This can usually be found on the main dashboard once you've logged in. Here, you'll access a variety of options related to your account management. Look for the section labeled Billing or Account. This section houses all the financial details related to your account, including the subscriptions you currently have. In the Billing section, search for the list of services you are subscribed to. This will include your hosting plans and any other services you might have opted for. Next to each service, there should be an option to manage settings. Click on Manage or Options for the service that you want to disable the auto-renewal for. Once you've reached the service management page, the next step is to find the auto-renewal settings. This is often under a tab labeled Renewal Settings or something similar. Here, you'll see the status of your current auto-renewal. You probably will have a toggle or button indicating whether the auto-renewal is on or off. Go ahead and click on it to change the status to Off. Always take a moment to confirm that you've completed this step. Not checking could potentially leave the auto-renewal active, which is the opposite of what we are aiming to achieve today. Finally, after adjusting your renewal settings, ensure to save any changes you've made. Look for a Save button towards the bottom of the page. It's crucial they're recorded in the system, as failing to save can result in the auto-renewal remaining active. Once you've saved everything, it's a good practice to check your email for any confirmation from Hostinger. This serves as a backup verification of the changes made to your account preferences. There you have it. With those steps completed, your Hostinger account should no longer be set to renew automatically. Remember, you can always return to adjust these settings if you change your mind later on. We hope this guide helps simplify the process for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.